Okay, so the first thing that I do is shave my face. Now, this to me is such an important step when it comes to like my facial routine, especially if I'm trying to do some at-home maintenance. This keeps my skin smooth, you guys. So you got to make sure that you use something on your skin. So I'm using aloe vera gel. I used to use a facial oil. It really just doesn't matter as long as you use something. This will basically let the blade glide smoothly on your skin and not like cause any cuts or anything like that. Right, so this is how I start the process. I just basically tug on my skin a little bit, just apply a bit of pressure, and then I glide the blade along really smoothly. So I try not to go over the same spot too many times, but yeah, this is the process of me removing the hair. Now, if you guys didn't know, shaving your face is actually a form of physical exfoliation. It's known as dermaplaning. So not only are you removing the facial hairs, you're also removing dead skin cells, and that's why your skin will not only look smoother, it will actually feel smoother as well. It's just because you physically exfoliated it. And another thing I love doing is steaming my face. Now, face steaming has so many different benefits, but the reason why I personally do it is because it makes my skin feel so much smoother, and I feel like it's easier for me to get the whiteheads underneath my pores out. When I don't steam my face, I find that they are a lot harder, and it's a lot harder to kind of like extract them. But steaming my face definitely does soften my skin and make like all the dirt, oil, and whiteheads easier to remove. Next up, I'm going in with these collagen eye masks. Now, if you guys didn't know, collagen is great at adding hydration to the skin. Now, the under eye is especially in need of hydration. This is what can make your dark circles appear lighter, and also like it can reduce the puffiness under your eyes. Like for me personally, when I wake up, my eyes are puffy. I don't know what kind of sleep I've been having, but my eyes are puffy, and this really does reduce that. And I think it's because of the cooling effect, because they are quite cold. So I like to do this like in the morning. But yeah, this is really nice. You can use any eye masks, by the way, you guys. I just like to use these ones specifically with the collagen. And then next up, I'm going in with my absolutely fave combo. This is the Aztec Healing Clay and the apple cider vinegar. Now, these two ingredients alone create the most amazing face mask ever. I can vouch for this, you guys. I've got numerous videos on this face mask alone because it tackles so many different issues, more specifically texture issues. If you are someone that struggles with white hairs, black hairs, acne, this face mask is for you. It extracts the white hairs from your pores so well. You feel like this tightening effect. It's actually known as the world's most powerful facial mask, I believe. On their tin, that's what they claim, and I can vouch for it. Now, the thing that I've started doing differently is I don't apply it too close to my under eyes. As you guys can see, I've got the eye patches. It's just because the apple cider vinegar can like make your eyes sting a little bit. You don't need to apply under there, and it can actually suck out the moisture because it's got this kind of like tightening effect. So you want to avoid the under eye areas. That's why I've kept the eye patches on. And when I'm done applying it, this is what it looks like. So I like to steam my face as I have this face mask on. I like the way that it feels, and I feel like the ingredients work more because I feel like my pores are like not opening, but slowly softening, so it makes the ingredients kind of like absorb into my skin. Now, I leave this face mask on my skin for like 20 minutes, I want to say 20 to 30 minutes. As you know, when I start to feel like the tightening effect is a bit too much, that's when it's time to like finish off the treatment. So as you guys can see here, I was done now at this point, and I'm just removing the eye masks off as well, and you guys can see that boost of hydration, like the puffiness is gone. So now I just basically rinse my face using my CeraVe foaming cleanser. I do this twice to make sure that the mask is completely off my skin, the clay is completely gone. This is the best cleanser that I use personally. Now let's get into some lip care. So this is what I like to do as part of my facial routine. I like to exfoliate my lips. As you guys can see here, I'm physically exfoliating with a sugar scrub. Now you can make your own sugar scrubs very simply. You can add sugar and oil, mix that together, and it makes like a nice scrub, a gentle scrub as well. I think I actually got this one from Shein, but you can literally get them anywhere if you want to buy it. But like I said, you can make it as well. And the reason why I like to physically exfoliate with a sugar scrub is because it removes the dead skin cells. A buildup of dead skin cells can make your lips look more pigmented. So sometimes all you need is a bit of exfoliation and then also hydration, and then it just brings the pink back, the color back to your lips. That's what I find for myself personally. So now what I like to do is to basically start the whole extraction process. And now I like to use cotton buds to remove the white hairs from like my pores and stuff like that. Now the reason I'm using cotton pads is because they are way more gentle in comparison to those like metal tools that you get from stores and stuff. I find that they can actually scratch the skin and cause like little tears. This for me personally is much safer and way more gentle as well. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just basically hitting the spots that I am more prone to getting whiteheads. So that's like besides like my nose area, my chin area as well. And that's basically my extractions done. After that, I rinse my face and then I go in with my skincare routine. So now I'm just applying like the last step of my routine here, which is sunscreen, because this is during the day. You want to make sure you're applying sunscreen, especially after this kind of like facial treatment. And that's basically this quick facial routine done. This is what I like to do from time to time. This helps me basically maintain a smooth skin, clear skin as well. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're interested in any of the products, they will be in the video description. So yeah guys, take care, have a lovely rest of your day.